If your Chevy Malibu's backup camera just went dark, don't panic. Here's a quick guide to get you seeing clearly again. First things first, make sure your car is in park and the engine is off. Safety comes first. Now check the camera lens at the back of your Malibu. Sometimes, dirt or water spots can block the view. Give it a gentle wipe with a clean cloth. Still not working? Let's keep going. Next, turn the car back on and shift into reverse. Does the camera display even pop up? If not, it could be a simple software glitch. Try turning the car off, wait a minute, and restart. If there's still no image, check your infotainment screen for any error messages. Sometimes the system warns you about a camera fault or a blown fuse. Speaking of fuses, open your Malibu's fuse box. Find the one labeled for the rear camera or backup. If it's blown, replace it with one of the same rating. If all that checks out but you're still stuck, the wiring or the camera itself might be the issue. At this point, it's best to let a certified mechanic take a look. That's it. Follow these steps, and you can usually get your Chevy Malibu's rear view camera working again. Thanks for watching. Drive safe.